Welcome to my show. Ooh. Hello everyone. I am Pomni.
Wow!
This is a pencil case.
I like the brown pen.
Let's go!
Good job!
Wow! Very good.
Let's do it with me. This!
Okay.
Wow!
I want new hair.
Aha! Let's begin.
So good. I love it.
Oh, wow! Good!
This.
Fantastic! Eyebrow. Wow!
Oh.
I like it.
Oh, yes!
Very good. Wow.
That's great!
I love it. Good job.
Ooh!
Wow, I love it.
Ooh! Oh, wow!
So good.
Excellent!
This looks so good.
I like it.
Wow.
Hi! Hello! Welcome to my show. Hello everyone. I am Pomni. Oh, wow!
This is a pencil case. This looks so good. Let's go.
Good!
I like the blue pen. Good job.
Yes! La la la! Wow!
Very good.
Hair dye.
So good. Let's fix this hair. Wow.
I love it.
BB cream.
Oh, yes!
Good job.
Let's begin.
I like it.
Eyebrow. Ooh! Excellent! Whoa! She looks great. It's so beautiful.
This. Let's do it with me.
Oh.
She is a pretty girl.
Lipstick.
Wow, I love it.
Ooh, what's this?
Ooh.
This is a contact lens.
Oh.
She is so beautiful. Fantastic!
I love it so much.
Ta-da! La la la.
Hello, everybody. Welcome to my skincare session. Okay. This. I want to clean it. Let's go.
This is pencil pouch.
I like it.
Good job. I like the red pen.
That's great!
Let's do it with me. Very good.
Wow! Ta-da! Ooh! Yes!
Shampoo.
Good! Oh!
Let's go. So good.
Let's begin. Excellent! Ooh, what's this? Great job.
Bath Organic.
Okay.
This gonna be good.
Great!
Let's fix this hair.
Wow! Eye lens. She looks great.
Aha! Apply a face mask.
Come and let's go.
One, two, three. Okay.
Oh, wow!
So good!
Let's do it with me.
Wow!
Oh,
Ooh! That's great!
I love it.
Lipstick. Yes! No. Wow!
I love you.